Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So earlier last week, Apple of course had their September event where of course they showed off the new iPhone, new Apple Watch, and some updates to their services as well, and other Apple products that they have. And today I want to share with you guys what I got from after Apple finished the event. So right after Apple finished the event, of course, I pre-ordered the Apple Watch Series 5, the aluminum version, of course, the sport with the sport band. But the only difference this time is that I got the silver aluminum, I guess, one. So for the first generation Apple Watch and last year's model, the Series 4, I've always had the black aluminum sport edition. And this time I decided to go with the silver one just because I wanted to try something different and something new since I had already the two black watches. So now, of course, I went with the silver one with the new green color. I forgot the name of it that they put to that one. But yeah, I can't wait to try it out, and I can't wait to try out WatchOS 6 and see the new Apple Watch faces. And of course, the best feature of the new Series 5 watch is always on. So finally, Apple decided to add that feature to the Apple Watch, which I was surprised that they didn't add it to last year's model, since the battery life of that Apple Watch was really decent and could probably handle always on. And then of course, next I had to of course pre-order the new iPhone 11, and I went with the iPhone 11. I didn't get the Pro versions. Now let me tell you why I didn't get the Pro versions. Because there was not really a big difference in specs from the iPhone 11. With the 11 Pro, the only difference, of course, is the screen, the three cameras, and third lens, I mean, and I think there was something else. The price, of course, was a big difference. Um, but yeah, there was nothing really that big that made me want to buy the iPhone 11 Pro. Now, of course, I would have wanted a better screen, of course. I don't really use the telephoto lens. I never used it on the iPhone 10s. So I wanted ultra wide, and I'm getting that with the iPhone 11. Now, of course, the only thing I will be missing is the OLED screen, which of course the iPhone 11 does not carry. It carries the liquid retina display, an LCD display, which is still really good. But yeah, that's why I got the iPhone 11, and I got it in the green color with the clear case. So I can't wait to share with you guys that video in the future. Hopefully on Friday I'll be able to get at least the iPhone 11 here with the case. The Apple Watch will probably have to wait a little bit just because it will be arriving on Monday. So that sucks, but what can you do? And of course, the best thing about this pre-order stuff was I did not have to wake up like last year. I think, what was it, 1 or 3 a.m. in the morning just to pre-order the iPhone and the Apple Watch. This time, of course, I was at work and I quickly just did it in 2 minutes when the site was live on my phone. I pre-ordered it quickly, and then boom, I had the notification that my pre-order was sent and my items were coming on Friday. So yeah, that's pretty much it on which model iPhone 11 I got. The Apple Watch series, which model I got on that one. Of course, you guys want to share what you guys got in the comments below. I'll probably be on the comments for like the first hour. So yeah, tell me what you guys got and what you guys are thinking of getting. If you guys are gonna get the iPhone 11, the 11 Pro. The 11 Pro in green really looks really nice. Now, of course, I also did not want to spend over $1,000 on a phone with tax and everything, which is going to come like crazy expensive for me right now. And mostly with the Canadian dollar, it's not that good when it's compared to American dollar. So yeah, I did not want to spend over 1,500 on a smartphone. So that's pretty much it for what I got in this quick update video. I hope you guys enjoy this, and as always, if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, I don't know what you guys are waiting for. You guys can subscribe right now, and I will see you guys later. Peace.